Hey there, students. Are you looking to earn some extra cash while juggling classes and exams? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 proven strategies to make $10,000 as a student. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Walter Income Tricks. I'm Walter, and today I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 as a student. Let's dive right in. Strategy 1. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or social media management, there are countless opportunities for freelancers online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are great places to start. Utilize your skills and turn them into cash. Strategy 2. Tutoring. Next, tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and help others? You can offer tutoring services to your peers or even younger students in your community. Websites like tutor.com and Wazant can help you connect with students looking for help. Strategy 3. Part-time job. Another option is to get a part-time job. Many companies offer flexible hours for students, allowing you to work around your class schedule. Whether it's retail, food service, or customer service, a part-time job can provide you with a steady income stream. Strategy 4. Sell products online. Ever thought about starting your own online business? Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon make it easier than ever to sell products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or even dropshipping, there's a market out there waiting for your unique products. Strategy 5. Investing. Now let's talk about investing. While it may require some upfront capital, investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate can yield significant returns over time. Do your research, start small, and watch your money grow. Strategy 6. Gig economy. The gig economy is booming, and there are plenty of opportunities for students to capitalize on it. Whether it's driving for Uber or Lyft, delivering food with DoorDash or Uber Eats, or even doing odd jobs with TaskRabbit, the gig economy offers flexibility and earning potential. Strategy 7. Create and monetize content. Last but not least, we have content creation. If you have a passion for writing, photography, videography, or any other creative endeavor, why not share it with the world? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer monetization options for creators who can attract an audience. And there you have it, 7 proven strategies to make $10,000 as a student. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and staying consistent. So go out there and start making that money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy earning. Thanks for watching.